data challenges of an organization. Hello everyone, my name is Isha Taneja and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Complere Infosystem. In this video, we will discuss about the third most common data challenges of your organization. I have also created the part 1 and part 2 of this data challenge. You can have a look on those videos as well. So let's begin. The third data challenge, which is most common, is your manual administrative tasks. So you might have to do manual administrative tasks in order to maintain your data warehouse. In order to solve this problem, nowadays cloud-based data warehouses are an option. So for example, let's talk about Snowflake. Snowflake gives you a feature to auto scale in multi-cluster virtual warehouse. Another feature is it creates automatic cluster with self-organizing cloud storage. It also helps you in order to do the automated monitoring and the maintenance. So you don't need to worry about the administrative tasks in order to maintain your data warehouse. How you like this video? If you like this video, please comment in the below section and see you in next video.